Hi friends! Welcome back to Mama's Fun Learning Adventure. Today, we are going to see, say, and spell the names of some amazing birds. Do you know these birds? Ready? Let's go! Parrot. This is a parrot. Can you say parrot? P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Can you say sparrow? S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Can you say pigeon? P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Crow. This is a crow. Can you say crow? C-R-O-W, crow. Peacock. This is a peacock. Can you say peacock? P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Owl. This is an owl. Can you say owl? O-W-L, owl. Eagle. This is an eagle. Can you say eagle? E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Robin. This is a robin. Can you say robin? R-O-B-I-N, robin. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Can you say flamingo? F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Swan. This is a swan. Can you say swan? S-W-A-N, swan. Penguin. This is a penguin. Can you say penguin? P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Can you say kingfisher? K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Can you say woodpecker? W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. Hummingbird. This is a hummingbird. Can you say hummingbird? H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, hummingbird. Dove. This is a dove. Can you say dove? D-O-V-E, dove. Hen. This is a hen. Can you say hen? H-E-N, hen. Rooster. This is a rooster. Can you say rooster? R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Duck. This is a duck. Can you say duck? D-U-C-K, duck. Goose. This is a goose. Can you say goose? G-O-O-S-E, goose. Turkey. This is a turkey. Can you say turkey? T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Wow! You did an amazing job. Now you know the names of so many birds. Say their names aloud whenever you see them. Don't forget to subscribe to Mama for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.